Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious crab cakes from scratch. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll want 1 pound of high-quality lump crab meat, as it's the star of the show. We'll also need 1 large egg, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, and 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs to bind everything together. Don't forget your seasonings: 1 tablespoon of Old Bay, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and some fresh parsley. A fresh lemon will add a bright, zesty finish. Now that we have our ingredients, let's move on to mixing and shaping. In a large bowl, gently combine the crab meat with the egg, mayonnaise, breadcrumbs, and seasonings. It's crucial to use a light hand here. Overmixing can shred the delicate crab meat, affecting the texture. Once combined, form the mixture into 8 uniform patties, each about 1 inch thick. Finally, place them in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This chilling step helps them hold their shape beautifully during cooking. With your crab cakes chilled, it's time to cook them to perfection. You have a few excellent options. For a classic crispy exterior, pan-fry them in a little oil for about 5 minutes per side over medium heat. If you prefer baking, place them on a sheet and cook at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 20 minutes. An air fryer also works wonderfully, achieving crispness in about 12 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Always ensure they reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Congratulations, your homemade crab cakes are ready. For the best experience, serve them immediately while they are warm and perfectly cooked. A simple squeeze of fresh lemon juice over each cake will brighten all the flavors beautifully. Consider offering a classic homemade tartar sauce or a spicy aioli as a delightful accompaniment. For an extra touch of elegance, garnish your plates with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or finely chopped chives. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.